Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mailtrack onto your Gmail. To begin, we're going to open up mail.google.com, and right here on the plus icon, we want to press on Google Add-ons. Also, Mailtrack allows you to see how many times they've seen what has been sent and what hasn't. Basically, a lot of stuff. Then from search apps, you want to write Mailtrack. And you want to press on search. And it should be this one right here. And you're simply going to press on install. Then you're going to press on continue. Choose the account. It's going to say all of this. Simply press on allow. Get ready to install. Yep. And next. Done. And it has been successfully installed. As you can see, if we go to where's extensions? There we go. As you can see, Mailtrack is right here. And there you have it. That is how to download Mailtrack onto your Google Gmail account. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.